Good afternoon, guys. I woke up 7:30 in the morning, and Natural's like, "What the hell? You never wake up this early." And I was like, "You know what? You're right. Let me go back to bed." And so I did, and now I'm just starting up the day slowly. The others went shopping. Made myself some noodles. I don't know why, but I just eat like a kid when I'm over here. I'm really enjoying these weekends. Itadakimasu. Jag har one. Ja, pass på! Ja. Good afternoon, guys. I ended up hanging out with the neighbor lady a bit yesterday evening, and then I came back here, chilled out with Jason. Basically, I've just been doing the same things all weekend, just watching cartoons, eating candy, playing the dinosaur game, Jurassic World. This is a real name, but Jason calls it dinosaur game. Now I have to return home to the commune, and I have to finish my electrical project. I guess my rent is paid out for this month because I've been doing some assistant work for the documentarian. So I don't have to worry about rent. I could stay here for the rest of the month if I wanted to. I'm probably gonna end up staying most of the month, if not all of the month, but then hopefully I'll be able to finish up that electrical project. It's kind of been on hold for the past few weeks. I've been a little busy with other things, but it's the last thing left on my checklist, so once that box is built and tested, I'm basically ready. But I've been kind of postponing it because the weather is not really there, and there was a few things I was waiting for, but yeah. It's the last thing left on my list. I just gotta finish the electrical project and test it out. Man, I really hope everything goes well with that thing. I'm about ready to move out and live outdoors now. Listening to non-fiction. Going for a bit of a ride. It's nice. Great weather. The weather's gonna start being like this every day now. Life's about to begin, guys. Hi. My taco. fixing up toesteunen. Me, I'm just going over here. Probably a little farther away than I had planned. I need to get away from the noise too. But yeah, I bought myself a couple of boosters. The energy drink Faxekondi booster. And you know, I'm just gonna enjoy some video editing out in the sun. I got some cigarettes too, I'll be honest. Let's drive around a bit longer, see what we can find. I want a new spot in my old hood. Let's see what we can find. Old bunkers. It's nice that they mowed the lawn so people can walk up here. That doesn't really happen that often. I like riding here. This is nice. It's a bit slower than I'm used to, but it's nice to go slow once in a while. I think I'm gonna head up there. Wow, that's a really nice bench position too. Look at the bench placement, guys. With all the dandelions. Yeah, this is perfect. There's a bit of garbage here though. I'll be able to take it with me. I got garbage bags in my backpack. Let's go. I've noticed a sad tendency of mine. And it's that I only seem to be able to edit videos whenever I'm over here at my cousin's place. It's like every time I babysit, I'm just enjoying myself too much, relaxing too much. And whenever I'm at the commune, I'm typically just like tired and drained, and you know, I got some downtime. But then when I come over here, it just seems like the perfect opportunity to get some editing done. Let's see if it doesn't get any better in this weather right here. I'm gonna start by cleaning up the garbage so it's a little nicer to hang out here. Let's get my garbage bags. I got them right here. I always travel with those, no matter how the backpack is set up. Like right now I don't have all my camping equipment in here, but I will always bring this just so I can clean up after these dastardly kids. Here we go, guys. Much better. I tied this bag here so the people who sit here and smoke at night can keep this place a little nicer. Look how beautiful it is. Why would anyone want to mess this up? One of the few good spots of nature in Copenhagen. Wow. Look at this beautiful shot. Alright, I edited one video, but I made it nice, you know. I'm gonna start putting some more effort into my videos, because the quality has really been lacking. But yeah, it turned out great. I'm happy. I'm just gonna try and make them better. Oh yeah, but I'm down to 10% battery on my phone, or less. So on my way home or on my way to this place to get a bit of charge in my phone, I saw this elderly man in a wheelchair pushing himself along, and I was like, you need a push? So of course I pushed him to his destination. Yo guys, good evening. Check this out. I'm on my way home. I'm gonna hit 3,000 kilometers on this trip home. And of course, you know me, I'm in this tunnel with this spinning light. On my way home, I picked up a package while I was at my cousin's, but other than that, I was just editing videos. And I ended up watching this Netflix show with my two oldest cousins, male and female. Legends, it was called. Pretty interesting. I mean, maybe not as interesting as the OA or like a really great show, but it seems like something I could watch. Have fun watching it. Ooh, I don't really take well to being taken over. I think I can only stomach it because I know I'm about to pass her in a second. But yeah, just a night ride. I decided to leave now around like 10 p.m. because then at least it won't be as brutally cold getting home. The nights are still pretty cold, especially when you go as fast as me. But yeah, I'm just listening to non-fiction on my way home. There's gonna be a guy in my room who I haven't met. He's actually the guy who has the room. Yes, he only gets to use the room because of this guy. So it's technically his room, even if he is renting. I'm not exactly sure how it works. All I know is I pay and I gotta deal with yes. I can still sleep in the room, but I think he's gonna stay here until Thursday or Friday or something like that. Let's see. But yeah, I'm going home now. I'm not exactly sure if it's gonna be fast or slow today. Let's see. Check it out, guys. I'm at a supermarket, behind the supermarket after closing time. And look at all this stuff I found. Perfectly good broccoli. Thrown out by the bunches. Yeah, I'm gonna be rating this and bringing back a bunch of free stuff for the others. No way I can eat all this. Look at this stuff. Perfectly good mushrooms. Nothing wrong with them except the expiry date is off. Okay, I'll show you guys the haul when I'm done here. Alright guys, here's the haul. Check it out. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 good broccolis and this packet of mushrooms. The rest of the stuff, it could probably be eaten, but didn't really look that good. I'm gonna put this in the backpack and head home now. Listen to some more non-fiction. Check out what I made, guys. Free veggies. Bike pump is for everyone. I brought the bike pump here from the neighbor lady who gave it to me from over by Jason and Natcha. And then I found a bunch of these broccoli. I took some for myself, just 2. And then I left these for the rest of them. I wish there was more, but I didn't want to take the spoiled broccoli. Just took the decent looking ones. These mushrooms look perfectly fine too. I'm not big into mushrooms. I used to grow them, but I don't know. I never really liked them, honestly. At least I don't really like the flavor. But yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with him, cook some food for the 2 of us. He said he's willing to have a bit of a snack. Just gotta bring the milk. I already brought the rest of the stuff. Well, let's go over to Hafi, the guy who used to live here for 4 years. I've already been talking to him a little bit. Oh, check out this titanium stuff that I got. These little bowls here, great for soy sauce or any other kind of sauce. I guess a makeshift teacup for a person who's much smaller than me. I'm pretty happy with them. I got 3 of them. I'm about to cook something here. And we got some gaming going on over here. I'm cooking for both of us. It's nice to be able to cook in here. I'm gonna get Stony on here. Check it out, guys. Another successful meal cooked in here. Watching some shit. Hanging out with Stony in voice chat. I made some food for Hafi too. Seems to be enjoying it.